Okay, predator's back. Just give a real easy toss. Woo! What the hell? I just dropped my lure in the water and something just came and whacked it. Oh look, I caught a papio. I just put the lure in the water, just relaxing, and a young trevally papio just whacked the shit out of it. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Shows that Art's lures work pretty damn good. See, I just dropped it. I literally just dropped it. Okay. Look at, and he pinched the barbs in. That's why they come off so easy. Alright. Okay, we're gonna let this guy go, but that was kind of neat. There you go. I just literally dropped it in the water. Like that. I'm just looking out, and then all of a sudden something would boom. Wow, Art, your stuff works. The sardines, I whipped right past the sardine school, and I got a small hookup. See the sardine school's right over there? Got something small on. But whatever it is, it was chasing it. It could be a small barracuda, small needlefish, small trevally. Here it comes. What is it? Oh, it looks like a trevally. Yep, that's what was chasing it. Woo! Nope, don't want them to get tangled in the line, in the pier. All right. Looks like Art's flies work pretty good. Let's go walk him in. Got my net here. Don't want to force it up because might break the line. Don't want to lose fish. Yeah. Heading through the fly. It's okay. See? Nice little guy. Okay, let's start, but I'm going to use Art Takamiya's Taka flies. This is the famous Hinalea fly on my first cast. See what happens? Using a floating hammer bomb. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at it. Had some papios after it. I can see it. Nothing grabbed it though. Let's try it again. Okay. Those hammer bombs do pretty good against the wind. Ooh, something's after it. Something's after it. Still after it. Barracuda. The mosquitoes are eating me up alive today. Well, it looks like the Barracuda's back. Didn't want it again. Alright. Oh, somebody's behind it. Somebody's behind it. There he goes. Come on, Barracuda. Chase it down. Chase it down. Chase it down. Darn it.